Hello, viewers. This particular problem on the board is specifically for our children who are in GSS2 or in GSS3. Suppose your examiner specify that you should use method of substitution to solve a simultaneous equation like this. Pay attention. Let me guide you step by step how to go about it. Solution. We are told to solve or find the values of x and y here. 5x minus 3y is equal to 7, and 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, we can call this equation 1, this one equation 2. Okay, now by substitution we mean removing something and replacing it with another, just like in the normal, you know, soccer we watch almost every day. There's always a time a coach might decide to remove a particular player from the field of play and then replace him or her with another player. So that is a typical example of what we mean by substitution. Okay. Now, in this pairs of equation, 5x minus 3y equals 7, and 2x plus y equals 5. We are asked to find the values of x and y. Now, the first thing you do is, you can choose to rewrite any of these equations. I choose to rewrite the second equation to derive the third equation and then substitute. Okay, so from equation 2, which is 2x plus y is equal to 5, I can rewrite it to take this shape. Y, this y is equal to plus x here, you take it to the right hand side of the equation, it becomes 5 minus 2x. This has now resulted to equation 3. Okay, this is now our equation 3. The next thing you do is to substitute. Substitute equation 3. This equation 3 you've just derived. You substitute into substitute equation 3 into equation 1. This third equation we have just derived. What you do is to put it back in equation 1. This is equation 1. Remember, we generated the third equation, this third equation from equation 2. So you are not going to substitute it back into the same equation 2. Rather, you are going to substitute it into equation 1. Okay? Substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So equation 1 says 5x minus 3y is equal to 7. So now, bear in mind that this is our equation 3 now, where and y is equal to 5 minus 2x. It means anywhere you see y in this equation, this is y, replace it with this 5 minus 2x. So if we do that, we will have 5x minus 3 bracket y is 5 minus 2x. 5 minus 2x, which is equal to 7. Okay? Having done this, the next thing we do is to open the brackets. We open the bracket. If we do that, 5x minus 3 multiplies 5 will give us minus 15. Minus 3 multiplies minus 2x will give us plus 6x is equal to 7. The next thing we do is to collect like terms. Okay? The next thing we do, we collect like terms. We collect like terms. 5x minus 15 plus 6x is equal to 7. Okay? So I take off this side and continue from here. Now we have that 5x minus 15 plus 6x is equal to 7. Now, like I told you, we are going to collect like terms. So 5x and plus 6x are like terms, whereas minus 15 and 7 are also like terms, but they are unlike to 6x and 5x. So now 5x plus 6x is equal to 7 plus 15. This 15, which is bearing a positive sign, crosses over, becomes plus 15. So that this plus this will give us 11x, which is equal to this plus this will give us 22. Okay? At this point, since we are looking for x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of 11x, which is 11. So we divide both sides by 11. This goes with this. We have that x is equals this divided by this 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay? So we proceed to find or determine the value for y. So now, from any of the equations now, to determine the value of y, substitute x into any of the equation. Okay? So I choose equation 1. From equation 1, 5x minus 3y is equal to 7. So anywhere you see x, you replace it with 2. So 5 into 2 minus 3y is equal to 7. Okay? I still take off this side. Now, 5 multiplies 2 give us 10, minus 3y is equal to 7. Now, we are going to, take this plus 10 to the right hand side. If we do that, we introduce a negative 10. So that this cancel this, we will have that 3y is equal to 7 minus 10. Okay? If we do that, we have that 3y is equal to minus 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10. You are taking away a larger number from a smaller number. So 7 minus 10 will give us a negative result. So that negative cancel negative. 3y is equal to 3. Okay? And finally, since we're looking for y, if we divide both sides by 3, so that y will be equal to 1. Okay? Finally, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is the solution to this particular simultaneous equation problem. What do you think about this number 2? Tell me the answer in the comment section. I hope you learn from this video. Please always like, comment and share. See you in my next video.